With Liquid Infinity, you can access Bitcoin CFD trading with up to 100x leverage. The trading pairs available on Liquid Infinity are BTC USD and BTC JPY. To get started, select Infinity from the home screen. The standard Infinity dashboard shows the trade feed on the left, chart in the middle, with the order book and order form on the right. Your orders and positions can be seen at the bottom. Entering a trade. To initiate a trade, start by selecting Cross or Isolated Margin. Isolated Margin assigns a margin amount to your position, which is then restricted only to the assigned amount of margin. With Cross Margin, a position is backed by the total account balance. Next, choose Long or Short and select an order type from the 4 options: Limit, Market, Stop, or Trailing Stop. Once you have chosen your order type, enter the relevant information. For a limit order, this will include buying price and order quantity. Choose your limit price based on the current market price and the anticipated movement. Note that the amount of leverage you can take depends on the size of your position. Select your funding currency, fiat or crypto, from the drop-down menu. Once you have submitted your order details, check it over and view the associated costs by hovering over the exclamation point. Once you are happy, you can open the position. Tracking your trades. Once your order has been filled, your position will be live. Open orders are shown in the Orders tab, while open positions are found in the Positions tab. If you want to edit or cancel an open order, simply change the order amount with the Edit button, or choose Cancel. You can keep an eye on overall position performance and your margin coverage using the Profit and Loss tracker on the right. For a more detailed breakdown of each position, use the Positions tab. There, you can see all of your open positions and make edits if necessary. Change take profit or stop loss levels with the Edit button, or close positions. Customize your dashboard. To customize your workspace, hover over the cog at the top and create your own. Your dashboard is fully customizable. Drag the windows wherever you want, resize to your liking, and add new panels if required. Once you're done, enter a name and save your workspace. Trading fees. You'll pay a 0.05% trading fee for both opening and closing a position when fees are paid with our native token, QASH. Fees paid without QASH are 0.1%. A financing fee is charged for all open Infinity positions on expiry of the relevant 8-hour trading period. Happy trading!